How to delete Netflix profiles. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete profiles on Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. On Netflix you can actually add up to 5 different profiles, and if you'd like to delete a single one because maybe you want to add a new member, it's relatively quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Netflix application here, and then you will set this type of interface. Now from here you don't want to select any profile because that will log you in. Instead what you have to do is, if you look closely at the top right hand side, you'll find a little pencil like icon there. So just tap on the pencil like icon, and then you want to simply select a certain profile that you would like to delete. Once you do that, if you look at the bottom of the profile, you'll find a trash icon that says delete profile. So you can just tap on the delete profile option there, then tap on delete profile, and that profile on Netflix will get successfully deleted. You can repeat the steps for any of the other profiles that you'd like to do so. This way you will be able to delete profiles on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.